mnandi uyobe sekabhalela wena sekafuna wena manje wente njani u-expose yena
siyathenda
ya uyayibona
lapho sowubhizi sengathi uyaxoxa
because lesa sikhathi bowungekho busy bowufuna kuba busy naye beka-available but bekangeke ete kwento yakho because kuye utibona amkhulu kulento leyo yabo. So sometimes ngito into esibulalayo and bulima lobukhulu a person can do empilweni ngiloko kucabanga ukuthi anything that is happening to someone else will never happen to you.
Repeat it, my yabona amagama lawo ngiyakutshela abantu abaningi
bulima longabenda empilweni lokho ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi wena into lenteka kulomnye umuntu will never happen kuwe. Eputhi thina we grew up kunebantu besibanabela sisesikolweni baphila lempilo lesiyiphilako thina namuhla.
It's a vice versa nya
uyabona ya umnabele umuntu uthi ukuthi hey yabona lena yile ngchisi lo uyabona but namuhla bona banabela thina kunabo cherry besibabuka sisho ukuthi hayi yabona lo cherry lona ngeke ulo but wahluleka kuyi-understand lento wayi-misuse uyabona. So lento leba yi-privilege at some point i-downfall yakho na ungayinakekeli.
Uqinisile uqinisile abakhuluma sona Meg yabona Meg ngiyamthanda actually uthi yabona Gayton Mackenzie used to come to us noma nini noma sikhathini bekafuna exposure. Now ulapha la bekafisa kuya khona but ngiyala mase simfuna akasatholakala nowhere to be found. Akarespond ma text uyapolitika aphelele lapho. Is the very same thing okukhuluma. Once mase kaya downfall utofuna kuya
mina I always say uyabona na ungekho conscious usuku une problem because impilo ifana nekukhuphuka ama stages. The very same stage lokukhuphuka ngawo nasewehla uphinze wehle ngawo
mara masowehla wehla kabuhlungu ngozi uyashela uhamba
nge-short. Ungacabangi wena ukuthi la uke wanyathela khona na ukhuphuka angeke uphinze ufune kunyathela at some point uyabona. So kunebuvele empilweni kunetigaba lokho ke ngesikwazi uyabona but ungabese udisregarda labanye abantu babone as less of a people because wena unaloku namuhla yabo. Mina that's why a lot of people ku TikTok bathi hey ndoda hayi ngale ndlela ungaye abantu abethu njani njani. Mina I'm one person that always reflect from where I come from. The pride we had to get close to your teacher, but it was not easy. Now I understand these very same kids, they want that pride. But when we have a nisha wena ngoba
nawo bakuncisha
awufuni bantwana eceleni kwakho ya wena hey bantwana lena ya bantwana lena mina ngitofika ngimebhodini ngikhulume ngiphume ngihamba ngifuni bantwana uyabona. Why? Do you know ukuthi labantwana bayicherisha njani lento yokuhlala nathishela so baxoxa? Do you know ukuthi kunebantwana bayicherisha lento ukuthi unesithombe sakho nathishela wakhe? It's a memory langeka ikhohlwe lo mntwana. Those random talks nebantwana uyabona ubathi mine bantwana they know we have the love and hate relationship. Uma wena into le right simnandi, uma wena into le bhedzako siyaphambana but asiphambani forever. Siphambana kwaleso sikhathi silungise lenkinga leyo siqhubeke nempilo yabo. That's why kubuka ngathi bantwana abaningi bayangithanda emsebenzini utothola abantwana abacela word of the day phakathi emsebenzini sokufuna ukuthini manje uthi ayamdlali nani mina in uyabona kufuna ubaniki word of the day labantwana because lo munye umntwana this other time besine meeting elikazi primary ngiyafika nethi ngicetha kufika ngiyapaka nangithi ngiyehla ngibona abafana tiyagijima tifuna kushutha tifuna word of the day bekufuna ngithini nje hambani la uyabona.